On a sheet of cling wrap, lay out 3 slices of prosciutto slightly overlapping. Spread 1/2 of your mushroom duxelle evenly over your prosciutto. Put your prepared beef in the centre and using your cling wrap, fold your prosciutto around your steak. Take your puff pastry and place your prosciutto wrapped steak in the centre. Fold your pastry around your beef, trimming excess pastry off as you go. You want to save it because you can use it to decorate your beef later. At this stage, you can decorate your Wellington using the excess puff pastry.